Hey everyone, I'm Sonali Gupta Verma, and I am so happy to be back here with my podcast 10 Things I Wish I Knew When I Was 20. This is episode 3, and yay, you're still here with me. I can't tell you how great it feels that you're all enjoying these podcasts. I hope that you find these little nugs of information very stimulating. Before I start this episode, I wanted to emphasize on the importance of applying the knowledge to your life, to watch things change and watch your life transform both personally and professionally. Like Robin Sharma always says, information without action is delusion. So make sure that you apply this knowledge to your life and simplify success. None of these applications of information should take much time. One just needs to make a conscious effort, and soon you're going to realize that these little changes add up to massive transformations. Today, we are all set to challenge and crush some old beliefs that keep us from living our dreams. Today's topic is so powerful, I literally got goosebumps when I was writing it. I really wish I knew earlier on in life that success has no deadlines and dreams have no expiry dates. You're never too old and it's never too late. It rhymes, right? So let me start by asking you, how many of you feel it's too late for you to start something new? Maybe a new business or a venture, follow a new passion. Perhaps you feel it's too late to reinvent yourself. Is it really what you believe or something you've been told by people around you, our so called society? How often do we say that I'm too old for this or maybe it's too late to change? If you just look back at history makers, some of them did not attain any success till they were in their 40s, 50s, or even in their 60s. I have enough and more examples of people who have smashed these myths and have created their empires and made their fortunes in much later years of their life. It is indeed the era of Netflix. So let's start with an example of Netflix. Did you know that Reed Hastings started his first Netflix screening when he was 47? Walmart was started by its founder, Walton, when he was 44 years old. Owners of Gap, Donald and Doris Fisher, started their business when they were in their 40s, and now Gap is valued at $16 billion. Morgan Freeman, the legendary Hollywood actor, got his first role when he was 52 years old. Why just Hollywood? Why just the West? India, Baman Irani, who started his career as an actor at the age of 41. G.R. Gopinath founded the low-cost airline Air Deccan when he was 52. Suhani Mule found the love of her life at 60 and she tied the knot. This list is endless. There is no age to start all over again. There is no age limit to starting afresh, and it's never too late to go after what you really want. You know what was common amongst all these people? Their fear of living the life they don't love was greater than their fear of failure. They were not scared of taking the leap and facing the consequences. What scared them more was living a life of regret. A survey was done in a hospital on elderly people. Close to their death, they were asked to reflect on their lives and their biggest regret. You know what they said? They all said they regretted not the things they did, but the things they did not do. The risks they never took, the dreams they did not pursue. There is no greater pain than the pain of regret. So today, I have an amazing exercise for you to try. In one of the epic lectures by Tony Robbins, he talks about the tremendous rocking chair test. I often do this myself when I'm faced with some tough decisions. So why don't we do it together today? And I promise you, it is going to change the way you make your decisions from today onwards. Okay, close your eyes. I hope you're in a safe environment where you can just be by yourself for a couple of minutes. Now take 3 deep breaths just to relax yourself. Deep inhales and deep exhales. Now that you're relaxed, just imagine yourself in your 90s sitting on a rocking chair and just looking back and reflecting at the years gone by. Think about all those times and opportunities when you went ahead and took the risk and worked for your dreams and what you believe in. Maybe you failed a few times there, but you did learn something valuable. And all the other times that you succeeded, how did that feel? I'm sure you have a smile on your face. Now, just think about all those times where you let your fear of failure stop you. Fear of log kya kahenge stop you from doing what you really wanted to do. All those opportunities you missed because people said you can't do it. Those haters, those naysayers, they stopped you. Where are all those people today? I'm sure they're not in your life. I bet you regret not taking those chances because of other people. Isn't that painful? So every time I find myself struggling with a decision, I simply put myself in that rocking chair and everything becomes clearer. Decisions become far more easier. Like I said in the beginning, I would like to close this session with the same lines. Remember, success has no deadlines and dreams have no expiry dates. You're never too old and it's never too late. Thank you so much for joining me again on this journey of reinvention. I hope you found this episode stimulating. Do leave your feedback and comments below and share if you think it could have a profound impact on someone else's life. I'm Sonali Gupta Verma. Till next time, be good and do good.